Mon country, I told you, I say, Mount to be the Waba. But anybody that would be in that court, they should be ready for legal battle. Because if we say we can't trust the judges in this country, no, we can't trust them. Appeal ye. But currently now, judicial share Mama Mubutumono. It takes the grace of God. One day now, the way now MPP power now, Mama can't say, oh, did you sign the no? What do I say?
Yeah.
No, per se, no, by now, what about 20 days ago? In
your honest opinion, Obi anim say Chrome ha okanekre. Do you think say Chairman won't me lawyers? Niema bi wo ha o man ye right because anka mo ye ne writer anka ebia anka niema besesa. Enti ebia going forward no omo kwa appeal no. Ebia niema bi wo ha this time so ye ne right because o dey Chrome ha o bi o kanekre pa. Na say o tied you on it.
Mami kanekre mu. The only thing that about me here though believe in loyalty of a lawyer based on loyalty and that lawyer not fine no on your kufuo on this lawyer more example on this certificate on this lawyer Sam Kujo on this Pebum on this there are lawyers be wa on me radical on this when they say are you go to mo on this we when they say attach mo of lawyer near one appear could be all the same you know no time for court it is so two or you be a gentleman or bunipa or blessier on pentopa into no mistake at a mount be any say no I can suffer lawyer back home appear could be if you are pakubia no for be an near dinner into the appear could be a law no never the pacono so judge no se mini no yampa mo case ni mo a la ya make judge no Jesus Christ because obi o your classmates a minimum no liti odi no onya na say case no ya judge tomorrow ya na say my lord me obika na say my lord na ochina no dia actually, no, and we can't guarantee tomorrow. We can only guarantee today. And to Ochilano, my lord, your water is say you. And it's a moment to make it say and to one actually to me back. And you must insist that he cannot push you. Because we are lawyer. So now also lawyer no break your cases. And it's about to depend on lawyer. And you and actually could be that commander. Oh, my judge didn't be assembly for 6 months. The only mistake they say, appear to trustee the judicial system. A trustee said the clients have a good case. And you know, judge did to be no to be car. Judge no a criminal no or to be casa. Okay, I say after case answer or the kind of course really.
Yeah.
After case answer over here press conference and if them me come me to be you say say no judge kitty awo appear could be. We are lawyer no na me. Na me lawyer na me was secondary school that because I say who judge no so the classmate inter who here lawyer no who here judge ni senior say who were him about 6 to 7 years media mama be some question who said judge kokubite say chachu tikata na ye chema won't be lawyer some you could throw between the two who when it says to put to trial, say that you get a story. What we can for 4 hours. Maybe what? More reflective petition.
Yeah.
More reflective petition. What we can say? Sound out here. If you don't know, come on, don't judge yourself. I acquire. What do you mean? I tell you to be shouting. Consider the age. If you say, "Oh, but we need now," I bet it's a man 1 month. Send that to force him. Yeah. Send that we know a friend say for send that police lawyers case D 8 years no. Now we need a lawyer to slow down the judge. You tell the judge say, my lord, we know that in law they said justice delayed is justice denied. But at the same time, every rule no, there is a exception. The same way justice hurried is justice buried. Say it again, Justice harried is justice buried. Later, I training now. Obi seen training. And even that come on to know. If I thought could be no, and my judge is too much comfortable. I can't some say no. And who class him bullet will be no. If I say na, we make a sasa obi tete mu. Say wakuma. What you say? That when you me say now shall man to be even civil case any case ye jeli pa kono. Me lo yamba. Me le judge to be for 6.5 years so. Say man to be case here e ba so Thursday ni. Me nkopo me cho letter aka judge say me kuma ye me ya. Say man to be jeli no. Nti e ma me nye fine. Na ma cho letter dey akọ. O ma judge say me feel comfortable. And the judge has no option than to adjourn. Once one adjourn here, the next God date the bapa no matter my lord. And then na mutiti me so otu me make sure my lord and then mutiti chama utu bisa da. Ni pa na kasa ya jeli no. So utu be kai dike so. That is the answer for you. Someone more Supreme Court for no bisa every judge in the country. They know what the answer stands for. And they make sense. The mistake part of what you say, onya weak, a lawyer, onya weak in terms of obi tete Ukraine. Who's a million big sound? If we say attach and the static case now, I can hear you. Now we say the case at time ya you go so here. Attach the case you go so here.
Yeah.
The man said that I'm to be the 6 months here. You know. So the real mistake. It was a mistake. But in terms of law, the next amount to good case. Being Pabon say, what about the judges no? Almost any meaning. No more shit. No quarry. No more from Rantum de your bon price to say, courts no, the amount to be fairly bail any appealer or granted because cases BI NDC case were being at the Mamba Bay NDC ni kofali bail any appealer or granted Murifi Larry Dugbe the contempt case no any man 7 days so but officially bail pen appeal get a guarantee say uncle fee until say the appeal no the bon price
okay lawyer
judge Globexer chema want to be case no so onye sa ma chema want to be but the ma Kennedy maka fitene kori zimba ibi ebesi bia eye wonye le bia no chema want to me e bon pai obi bia owo bia na wo obeju beti no one say 20 years crap on to tie 80 years no ye many wo ye to be guarantee 20 years no na me lo yampa me di 79.
okay
Once we were 59 years. Okay. And the 20 years now, you don't make no. Say na me 79 no. And you never come. Na sata na mama di ahe. Now. Oh di ahe.
it me just na me dey kan ho
Mama could be 90 years.
yeah
That time no we abba kokra. Na mama na do di 100 plus me boy.
yeah sure
Na for good and she bring that 20 years crap yam na yeti komo e na yeju beti no say nyame de yen kobe ma yen na nya po mu de nkra no enti na me say Ghana for mon kan lastly obi a wo jubilate e wo chema wutumi esi first A plus if first as lega for say and ashigbe any for say NDC aparato simiano mon ka che mo say o ma dream of form Bible say unyonku enya sema menjubility
okay chairman
unim ebisi otila yeti hayi yekwa eni yensem sebi bra umani boama any omomunya air class no so omunim say omeba abemu nanka ebeso omo say omo ko fight galamsey and come to flow electoral bewa nti fitene yeni mpo de isi ebesi na mato ya calculate 20 years nti die chairman do okọ oji na home ba yen nti ma no yen yen ho na de atuta ma no ebi ntu yen mpa bo ne se no kware enye adwuma wasem mu na Ghana engin kunim
Emra no nkyerɛ sɛ bi obi bi atɛn na ɛkyi a ne nka wasɛm asɛm a ɛda court n'anim ɛnɛ court ni buaye no ne tenten ni ne tetia ɛne sɛ obi anu wɔ a ɔwɔ prosecution hɔ attorney general office hɔ etimi ka asɛm ɛma ne to asum sɛ kyɛma wontumi sɛ bi no oni nkrata sɛ obetu sɛ bi o ya sase so ɛno ɛnya ade a court no edi akyiniɛ enti ɛkyerɛ sɛ kyɛma wontumi no okrata ɛma no ho kwan sɛ obetu ɛfɔm agudie asɛm a court no ɛka ɛne sɛ ɔmo gyina so a ɔmo de kyɛma wontumi akɔtwe aban kokom ne sɛ ɔmo sɛ kyɛma wontumi krata na okura na emrɛ mu no ho kwan sɛ obekura saa krata no ɔde saa krata no ama obi sɛ ɔmfa nkɔyɛ adwuma abra lance minister ama approval sɛbi ɛnkyerɛ sɛ wontumi ɔkɔyɛ galamsey efisɛ title na okura no na emrɛ mu na di mu bɔne aban ne kaso wayɛ ne sɛ ɔse kyɛma wontumi de ne krata ama obi akɔyɛ adwuma ɛno ne mmɛmɛ ka circumstantial evidence nanso so ɔmantumi prove beyond reasonable doubt a yɛba criminal prosecution a ɛsɛ prosecution na sɛ court no ɛgyina so ka asɛm no obi asɛm a ɔka kan yɛ ɛno nti ɛna judge na gyina so a wɔka sɛ ɔde kyerɛma wontumi akɔto aban no kukuo mu yɛ MPP party no deɛ ɛka ne sɛ ɔmampani mahama sɛ ɔwɔ pɛpapa sɛbi illegal mine your friend galamsey no obɛko ho na so betu ho ɛsa ɛna wa bɛmu ɛnkɔfa bebre wo ma wa crowd tu mu sɛ ɔmo to na so ɔmo yɛ galamsey ɔma pene de Ghana fo kusane sɛ asɛm no akosi sɛ o party fo no na ɔmo yɛ no ɛho asɛm no akosi sɛ na akɔyɛ sɛ ɔma pene ne NDC ahori a asɛm yɛ fa opposition for no ɔmo ɛde kɔ na so ɔmo tu ho asa no ɛnɛ saa ahori no bi ɛna asɛm fa NDC for ho a ɔmo tu saa asa no ɛkɔfo di petition kɔma Yoko ɛfa NDC or national organizer to save Yami ho ɛna ɔmo vice chairman Abanga Yakubu ho sɛ ɔmo yɛ galamsey ɔmo ampani ne NDC for ebusa mo sɛ asɛm no akosi sɛ woyɛ no furu a NDC mra so bejanyi owo Ahafano South East your friend Mohammed Yakubu ohene bi pam no free na hemfie enam se oye galamsey hu no yebuso mampani se akosisen oba aworin MP or NDC MP ho friend Honorable Oscar Ofori Labi eko bi friend Ghana Coalition Against Galamsey ese papa no oye galamsey yebuso mampani ni NDC fo ne se saa no mane nyina no akwa akosisen me fa saa akonya reso maka cho mampani se ensem ehia Ghana fo tete obetu hu sa no ena hu sa na otu na emom no opponent ena wa na adwen se obetu nani ede esi omo so Cocoa farmers fo esu sabi enche ye ena nsuo eyi fa amanfo omo nkran ha ena regis ni bi aka omampani ka wodi a wodi prosecute opponents no kasa wodi bi no fa ko hye santokwa we mu se be ya flag no sem no edi sem wo mem ha na Jamaica ko wie ne se me hye titafo me hye mo boss LP chairman wontumi agya ne mu me ka kire mo se sabi ene ehia no LPP legal team for no ya ka kire mo se omon file appeal no mo challenge decision na judge no edi aba